If you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more delicious recipes. Also, click on the notification bell so that you get notified each time I upload a new recipe on this channel.
Hello, Namaste. We all know that beans are a good source of vegetarian protein. How do you make your red kidney beans or rajma? You can try making home-style rajma masala. But apart from this, there is one more recipe that is called chilli, a vegetarian chilli. It uses beans like red beans, kidney beans, pinto beans or white and black beans as well. So whatever beans you have in hand, you can make this recipe with. So today I will show you how to make this vegetarian chilli with the easiest available beans, that's red kidney beans or rajma. In this you can add vegetables to your choice. And of course meat lovers can add meat pieces to it. Please note the ingredients needed to make vegetarian chilli. A list is also given in description below. First of all, wash and soak your beans. So I have red kidney beans washed and soaked for about 6 to 8 hours. After which we need to pressure cook these beans with some salt and 1 or 2 bay leaves with sufficient water. Pressure cook on medium heat for about 30 minutes or give 2 to 3 whistles. And here use vegetables of your liking. Chop them in smaller pieces like this. So I had carrots, celery, capsicum, onion and garlic. Heat oil in a pot. Add in chopped garlic followed by chopped onion. Saute on medium-high heat for about 2 minutes till onion look slightly cooked like this. Now it's the time to add in our vegetables. So go in the sequence like carrots and celery sticks first because they take longer time to cook. Stir cook on medium-high heat only for another 2 minutes. After which add in chopped tomatoes. More tomatoes look good in this recipe. Mix briefly. Now it's the time to add in the spices that give flavor to this chili. Cumin or zira powder, oregano, black pepper or kali mirch powder, red chili or lal mirch powder. All spices go in along with some salt or namak. Mix, cover the lid and reduce the heat to medium. And let these veggies get softened for about 15 minutes. After which, this is how the vegetables look like. Check, the carrots are not fully cooked but they are little soft. Now it's the time to add in capsicum. You may add colored bell peppers if you have. Cover the lid and let it cook for 10 minutes. After which, this is how the vegetables look. Everything is nice and soft, fully cooked. Now add in the boiled kidney beans, all of them with the stalk or the water. Remove the bay leaf or tej patta from this. Mix everything well. This looks so good. Mash some of the beans and vegetables. This will thicken the chili and gives a nice body to this recipe. You may use a potato masher if you do not have immersion blender. Time to add in some parsley. Because I had dry parsley, I am using right now. If you have fresh one, use it in the starting when you add all the vegetables. Mix well and lastly cover and cook it for just 5 more minutes before serving. Time up. Let's check. The chili is ready. Wow. Add some butter or makhan and cream cheese. About 2 tablespoons of cream cheese goes in. Mix well. Add in finely chopped cilantro or hara dhania. Mix, 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 and this chili is ready to be served. Enjoy it with buttered bun, bread or croissant. Enjoy it for your lunch, dinner. Thanks for watching.